Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to enable the Hyper-V feature in Windows 10. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first things first, you're going to want to open up the Start menu, left click on the Start button one time, and you're going to type in Windows Features. Best match should come back with Turn Windows Features on or off. Left click on that one time. And now you want to locate Hyper-V here and expand that, so left click on the little plus next to Hyper-V, and then do another plus next to Hyper-V Management Tools. Everything in here you want to check mark. Fortunately, Hyper-V cannot be installed in a virtualized environment, so that's why I cannot check the last one here. But you just want to make sure all of them are check marked, and then left click on OK. It's going to begin searching and installing the Windows features here, so just give that a moment to run. And you will have to restart your computer to save the change, so just make sure you close out of any open programs and applications, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.